Like, hi guys, I'm my local sneak sausage with Harvey and Michael. We were going to miss you, but we're not going to because we're good boys. We just had an awesome time for a 377. Right, just going to put it on because it'll... There we go. Now the time is 17:21 and this is for our 1 Foxtrot 46 to London Victoria, I want to say. Actually no. We're just on the Brayford. Right guys, Michael is currently... How many tests you got left? One? Michael's got one more test left and he's done. So Michael could be out a lot more frequently.
I don't know why I came out today, like, I just felt like it, I was bored. So.
And on Saturday, Saturday.
Oh, fact! You can get Roblox on your phone, type in Roblox, download it. My name is Rainfall134. Harvey's name is Rainfall123.
We'll be on.
So if you see them, say hi.
This one should be stopping. If that 377 went right through, this one should be stopping. It should be. Might have to park because I think D Delta 30 is going to be leaving for a service bar until...
I've been down there for 2 days, let's try and get a nice home.
I haven't been down there for 2 days either. Hang on a minute. This is one of the new ones. Thank you! What, 377 160, Austin 2-tone.
I went like that though.
No, I waved. What a lovely time from him. We should be going up actually. 377 160 with an Austin 2-tone and... Up there go, thank God. Wait.
That was amazing.
Thank you guys for seeing the video.